Have you ever wanted a decent boat to go camping, but don't want the extra expense of changing vehicle or the hassle of towing a trailer? Well, this lot in front of me will fit into a regular vehicle and will take you and your adventures to a whole new level. Come and check out this Deluxe Explorer Edition that we've just done for a couple who are ready to hit the road for their exciting adventure, fishing and camping. Okay, so this is the M400. Right, and okay, so you got your stock standard 20 horsepower AFI, Mercury engine, electric start, gears on the handle. Make sure I don't run into anyone. You've also got a tensioner for down here, so if you don't an autopilot.
Right, yeah.
Okay, so you zoom that across, makes the motor tighter.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to steer. And you also got a throttle tensioner on the side. Just there.
Yep.
So you can just let it go. It'll do everything itself. The tank as well, mate. Just remember when you turn it, lock it in. So it's just back one half a turn, like that. Right. So breeze.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Down here. So that'll be on power, off power. The Anderson plugs, that one's front one's for your electric motor.
Yep.
Back one's for your motor.
Electric start.
Your electric start motor.
Yep.
You can start this without a battery, mechanically.
Yes.
Then it will charge itself up and run like normal EFI. Not like some EFIs where you have to have constant power. This one actually will run its own power.
Right. Okay.
If you ever have a flat battery, you can still start it by the starter and get going to wherever you've got to go.
And it'll charge up.
It'll charge itself up, yep.
Yep.
So your Garmin screen's basic. Whatever. Basically, you loosen that up to wherever you want to go. You do 360, 180, do whatever. Do the screen, put it to wherever you want. Do that back up. Lock that off, and there's your screen.
So that's got the fish finder.
That's got everything.
Maps,
everything.
Yeah, beautiful.
So you got charts, sounders, frequency. The only thing we don't have run up is your motor into it because you've got no NIMA network. We could fit it, but no. The sonar. 3D imaging at the bottom.
Yeah.
You got all your rod holders.
Yeah. Very important.
Beach wheels at the back. I'll talk you through them when they're back on the trailer.
Yeah.
They're all. You can remove the whole lot of them. Just get it up and do that. That's with 4 of us on, 3 up the back, and she's still on the plane.
Yeah.
I'll just pull up here and go through the electric motor for you, Zay.
Come on, mate.
It's got a lever here. So kick that lever. Throw the engine out. We've already set it up for your height.
Right.
Now that height can be changed through that swivel there.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're by yourself, I noticed if I sit up the back because I'm a bit more cuddlier, it actually just got to go a bit deeper.
Right.
Yeah, but it still hoots around. So that's all keyed up now. So this is all GPS.
Yep.
Okay, so full GPS setting. So if we want to anchor up,
Yep.
right now that'll hold our position.
Hold position.
And that's it.
Yep.
It'll do what it does
Yep.
to hold us where we want to be.
Yeah, well that's really what I wanted.
Yeah. That'll anchor.
Yeah.
Point.
So which one was that?
Oh, that's just a big anchor button down the bottom.
Yeah.
So, and then we can also just, so this will start spinning the prop. Then you got left, right to turn.
All right, yeah.
Prop speed plus. What are we up to?
Yeah.
There's 4. Let's get it right up to 10, eh? This is it, flat out. Obviously, it's an electric motor.
That still gets you along,
Yeah.
right, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Especially, you know, like you say, there's 4 of us in here.
Yeah, well, that's moving us along now. We're going 1.8 mile per hour. It's on mile per hour for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then that's left. The boat to go. No, we won't. We won't turn.
We'll do a donut.
Yeah, that's it. We'll do a donut. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah. So it's a great party trick when you get off your boat and start driving this around.
Yeah, I reckon.
All right, and then just back off that. That's prop on, prop off. So that'll. So yeah. So just once again, once you want your anchor. So that's your prop on, prop off.
Yep.
Manually. Okay, and then just your anchor to anchor. It'll do a lot of other stuff, but that's just your basic north, go to, and all that sort of stuff. You can plot, can actually set up things, I think, like a little GPS setting and send it to the boat to it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you can. Okay, so that's your electric motor. And power off is the tick again.
Right.
That'll power your screen off.
Yep.
So it'll find itself. So it'll come up that when you power on, tick, then that one to say okay. Right. Then that's holding itself now. And anchor up.
Very good.
It's pretty base.
Well, you know, but it looks like it's going to do the job just fine.
Yeah, and you don't have to have that. You don't have to have that running either. Single battery, but a good amperage. But you just keep an eye on that screen. And at the end of the day, if you're driving around for 4 or 5 hours on that, or 5 or 6, you can still start your engine anyway. Manually and take off home. Where other motors, once your battery goes flat, the EFI bigger motors, you won't be able to start them. You won't be able to drive them.
Yeah.
Where these ones have their own little brain in them, and away they go. That's the latest and greatest little thing.
Mm-hmm.
But
and that's all weather that can stay out.
Yeah. But that's all. Once again, we made it so it all pulls apart.
Yep.
As well. Rightio. So these are removable as well. You know that? So rods in, rods out. Yeah. Basically lock, unlock.
Can you show us one?
All right. Then back in.
That's easy, isn't it?
Done. Your whole boat's got them all over it, so everything's just plug, 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 away you go. Wrap it all up. Sounds all too easy.